If you're already pulling 6 or 7 figures per launch, you probably know that copy, traffic, and product are critical. But there's one detail you're still ignoring, and it's quietly eating a fat chunk of your revenue. Yes, your copy might be brilliant. Your offer might be irresistible. Your product might be transformational. But if your lead doesn't watch till the end, you're pitching to an empty screen. It's not what you say, it's what they feel, and that depends on the edit. You don't even realize it, but you're bleeding sales from weak editing, a poorly timed cut, a sound FX that misses the mark, a transition that kills emotion instead of building it. That's not a detail, that's invisible conversion loss, and your numbers feel it. I work with high-level creators, with people who already get the game, but know they could play at a higher level, because in digital, every second of attention is worth more than a click. Keeping your lead through the pitch isn't luck, it's rhythm, sound, and visual engineering. I edit using attention psychology. Every cut guides the eye. Every soundtrack triggers emotion. Every pause is deliberate. It's not about making a video look pretty. It's about making your lead feel like they're watching a trailer of their own story. I've seen launches go from 1.2M to 1.7M. Same copy, same traffic. The only difference, how the video was told. Not with words, but with a sensory experience. When your lead feels like they're inside the video, they forget it's an ad. This isn't about making your video look good. It's about guiding your lead's brain straight to the buy button. Most editors follow the brief. I follow human behavior. What do you gain from strategic editing? A higher retention, a deeper connection, and more qualified clicks. And most of all, more control over your impact. You stop relying on luck and start scaling with intention. You already have traffic. You already have copy. You already have a product. But your lead is still watching your VSL like it's just another random video. Wanna fix that? Let's talk.